Welcome to Cognizant Hub YouTube channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to generate a QR code in less than 2 minutes. Stay tuned. So we have this website called qrcodemonkey.com. As soon as you enter this website, you will quickly understand how it exactly works. As you can see, you can encode literally any piece of information into a QR code. This website gives us the option for URL, text, email, Wi-Fi, Bitcoin, etc. etc. So literally, you can put any information that you have in just a small piece of paper. I will keep it simple. I'm just going to insert my YouTube channel URL link in the QR code. So first of all, I will go to the URL section and insert my YouTube channel link over there. Then I will set the color which I want to add. Now this is completely optional. Now since this is YouTube channel, I will add a logo of YouTube in my QR code. You can even make customizations in your QR code just to make it look better. But make sure it will not be cluttered too much because you are going to print it. So once I am done, I will just download this QR code and I am ready to go. Now you can quickly test out. Just take a screenshot of this QR code and test if it is really working or not. It will be fun. So that's all for now. If you like this video, please press the thumb icon. If you have any suggestions, please use that comment section, and please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.